Hello stars, welcome to a new video. In this video I will make another instrument in a plane called the vertical speed indicator. Well, let's build it without delay. The vertical speed indicator is a device that displays the vertical acceleration of the aircraft. If this pointer is up, it means that the plane is climbing. But if it is down, it means that the plane is descending. So, how can it be made? First, I will explain the display because it has some mathematical calculations as you can see, and I did all this before making this video. First, we need to draw the whole shape of the gauge on the LCD. For this, I wrote a function that receives numbers from 0 to 90 as angles and draws a quarter cycle on the LCD with the help of trigonometric ratios. This function displays the positive parts of the sensor. Now we have to draw the negative parts with the help of the same function. Now we need to make the display needle. For this you can use the triangle drawing functions. With the help of these functions, we draw the triangle so that the two bottom points of the triangle are in the middle of the display, and the top of the triangle rotates on the previous shape. I mean, to display the numbers, just rotate the top of the triangle. But see what happens. As soon as the triangle leaves the middle point, it starts to tilt and finally disappears at a 90-degree angle. As a result, the bottom points of the triangle should rotate simultaneously with top part of the triangle. How to do this? Trigonometric ratios. This is the algorithm I wrote, and you can check it in the description section. Another point is that you have to quickly remove this needle from the screen and show it again. This part of the code does this. This is what happens if you don't. To test what I said, I use a potentiometer to display analog values. Now it's time to connect the MPU 6050 sensor to the Arduino and measure the acceleration of the z-axis. Well, as you can see, while the module has no acceleration, the output value is about 11. And when I pull up the sensor, the output value decreases. With one more mathematical calculation, we can get the desired value. Because I don't have anything to test the z-axis acceleration, I will just shake the circle area so you can see the result. If this video gets enough likes, I will find a way to test it in the next video. Let me explain about these numbers. There are two types of airplanes in a world: Easter airplanes and Western airplanes. Easter airplanes measure these values in meters per second, but Western airplanes measure these values in feet per minute. I have displayed both of these values in this project. Oh, don't forget to
TCAS system test OK.
You may be wondering how I know so much about aviation. That's right, I was a student of commercial airplanes. I didn't continue because of issues that I cannot say. If you continue to support by liking, I will return to my activities. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you soon.